Welcome to my channel Amateur Radio Universe. Today I am going to talk about the RF bandpass filter. We'll go through the definition, the different types, advantages and the various applications. We'll also demonstrate how to construct an RF bandpass filter. An RF bandpass filter is a circuit which passes a specific radio frequency or band of frequencies while attenuating all other frequencies both above or below that frequency. A bandpass filter is designed by combining the features of the low-pass filter and the high-pass filter. The frequency or the frequencies which the filter allows to pass through is called the pass band. The bandpass filter consists of a combination of resistor, inductor and capacitor. It has an input port as well as an output port. An ideal bandpass filter has a flat pass band and passes all frequencies within the pass band to be transferred to the output and does not have any gain or attenuation. It attenuates all frequencies beyond the cutoff frequency to which it is designed. The band of frequencies that the filter allows to pass through without attenuation is called the bandwidth. It is the difference between the upper and the lower cutoff frequencies. In practice, a bandpass filter does not totally eliminate all the frequencies outside its desired pass band. At the edges of the pass band, there is a small section of the band where the frequencies are attenuated, but not totally eliminated. This is called the filter roll-off, and the small band of frequencies both above and below the pass band is called the roll-off frequency. It is usually designated as dB attenuation per octave or decade of frequency. Types of bandpass filter. There are two types of bandpass filter and they are as follows. 1. Narrow bandpass filter. Here the slope of the resonance curve is sharp and narrow. The pass band is narrow, which determines the Q of the circuit. The reciprocal of the fractional bandwidth of the circuit is the Q factor. Thus a narrow bandpass filter has a high Q. A crystal ladder filter is a type of narrow bandpass filter. 2. Wide bandpass filter. Here the pass band is wide and it allows signals from a wide band of frequencies to pass through. A wide bandpass filter has a low Q. An LC filter is a type of wide bandpass filter. An LC bandpass filter. In an RF input filter, the radio frequency signal from the antenna is fed to the input port. The LC circuit acts as the tank circuit and it resonates with the frequency to which it is tuned. The bandpass filter attenuates or cuts off the frequencies both above or below the required frequency. The selected frequency along with the signal it contains is fed to the output port without attenuation. The resonant frequency of an LC circuit is given by the formula F equal to 1 by 2 pi the root of LC. Change the value of the inductor L and the capacitor C according to the desired frequency. Applications of RF bandpass filter. 1. Narrow bandpass filters are used in the input tuned circuits of radio receivers. It helps to select specific radio signals from a radio frequency band while rejecting all other signals. Example, RF input filter. 2. Narrow bandpass filter helps to select a station from adjacent stations. It improves the tuned circuit Q and thus the signal to noise ratio and sensitivity of the receiver. Example, IF filter, ladder filter, etc. 3. Narrow bandpass radio designs helps to minimize the interference and improve maximum allocation of stations within a band without adjacent station interference. 4. Narrow bandpass filter is used in the output of a radio transmitter. It helps to limit the transmitted radio signals within the allowed frequency band. Example, RF output filter. 5. Wide bandwidth filter is used in the video or picture reception in television receivers. Example, video filters.